In this video, I'll guide you through how to make Steam games recognize your Logitech G 923. If your Logitech G 923 racing wheel isn't being detected correctly by a Steam game, there's a simple setting you can adjust that often resolves the issue. Many racing games work best when they communicate directly with the wheel instead of relying on Steam's input translation. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of changing the appropriate controller setting so your Logitech G 923 can be recognized properly. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't installed yet, download and install it before continuing. Once the application launches, sign into your Steam account by clicking the Login button near the top right corner of the window. Enter your account name and password carefully, then click Sign In. If you can't remember your password, you can use Steam's password recovery option before proceeding. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, click on the Library tab at the top of the window. Your library contains all of the games you've purchased and installed through Steam, making it the place where you'll configure settings for individual games. Browse through your library and locate the racing game you want to play with your Logitech G 923. Once you've found it, right-click on the game's title to open the context menu. From the available options, select Properties. This opens a dedicated settings window for that specific game, allowing you to customize how it behaves. Inside the Properties window, look for the Controller section in the menu on the left. Click on it to access the controller configuration options. This section controls how Steam handles connected controllers and input devices for the selected game. Within the controller settings, you'll see a drop-down menu with several Steam input options. Open the drop-down menu and select Disable Steam Input. This is the key step in the process. By disabling Steam input for this game, Steam allows the title to communicate directly with your Logitech G 923 using its native controls. Many racing simulators detect steering wheels more reliably when Steam input is turned off, providing more accurate steering, pedal, and force feedback support. Once you've applied this setting, close the Properties window and launch your game. Your Logitech G 923 should now be recognized correctly, allowing you to enjoy a smoother and more immersive racing experience. That's all there is to it. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in controller compatibility for many racing titles on Steam. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next race with your Logitech G 923.